Hello, it's not tea with Travis, it's Diet Coke with Travis today. I'm drinking the hard stuff. This week has been an interesting one. It's Friday afternoon. I wanted to let you know what's going on going into the weekend. I guess the question of the day is deal or no deal, and it looks like no deal yet. Our senators are going to be working on this rest plan this weekend. They didn't come to a resolution today, but most likely they will have one, if not by tomorrow midnight, most likely Sunday by 6. And hopefully have a vote and hitting the markets first thing Monday morning. So we should see a reaction Monday morning in the markets. If not, they may have priced it in today. The Dow closed 112 up, 121 up, and mortgage-backed securities basically did a sideways trade all week. We end up closing mortgage-backed securities or interest rates. Basically, they closed today where they started on Monday. All sideways trading, basically no gain, no loss, and we're about where we started. So I think with the vote this weekend, depending on the terminology used in this bill and what actually is going to come out, we should see some improvements in rates just from the stability of the plan, and mortgage rates should improve next week. If not next week, the following week. I think that's just going to be the case. Right now, though, it's the debt and equity markets are in a lockdown. The banks aren't loaning to each other. They don't know if they're even going to be in business next week. And so the London Interbank Offered Rate, the LIBOR, is basically the daily trading rate between banks with the rate that they loan to each other. That has spiked over double, and if not double, not even trading at all. Like I said, in lockdown, money market accounts, when they go below a certain level, they call it the buck, and we're at that point too. And there's over $3 trillion in money market accounts across the nation, and actually in the world markets. And so when we talk $700 billion, it's not even going to be really a drop in the bucket compared to what money is just in money market accounts. We're not even talking the money available to small businesses, in mortgage-related fields, all those different things. It's just in money market accounts, a huge astronomical number like that. Also, WAMU, as you heard, or may not have heard, but they were on the brink of bankruptcy, and they were bought out by JP Morgan Chase last night, and kind of a bailout strategy. They were purchased by $1.9 billion. Back as January, they had over $180 billion in assets and deposits in their bank. It's the largest savings and loan bank in the nation. And well, not anymore. They're not. Now Chase has become the largest bank. It's just WAMU or yesterday. So that's interesting. Also, like I said, the mortgage-backed securities are traded sides. They close even on the day. And other than that, the GDP was revised today. The gross domestic product was at 3.3 for the third quarter, and it was revised down to 2.9. So still positive for growth, but with everything else going on, not just a kind of a blip on the radar screen today. Same thing with unemployment number. Yesterday, like I said, the highest reading in 7 years of new jobless claims. Kind of came in line with expectations of the jobs report today. But again, jobs report numbers are typically market movers that we all look forward to anticipate once a month. It didn't even register. I mean, I looked at all the bullet comments and all the different websites I belong to, and the unemployment numbers didn't even hit on the radar screen today. They weren't even posted. There were so many other economic news, and with the presidential debate today, and then all this turmoil in markets. Interesting times. So that's the update for the weekend. I should have some exciting news Monday morning first thing, so I'll make sure and update you as soon as I get into the office. But have an awesome weekend. We look forward to serving you, and be blessed.